Well, I will start with a question. If we will not reach them, or with the truth, or with the fact that if we will not reach them, someone else will. So if we're not going to do our part, or if we're not going to be proactive in doing this, someone else will. It could be the fraternities. It could be computers. It could be addiction or anything else. So if the church, or if we as believers in Jesus Christ do not do our part in reaching them, or do not do the command that we have been called to do, to make disciples, then they're going to be disciples of other things, not Jesus.
To me, campus ministry is very important because this kind of ministry embraces and caters to our young people in terms of their social and spiritual well-being. Thus, becoming disciples to transform the world.
Isa sa nakakuha ng aking atensyon at naniniwala ko na malaking bagay ang may tutulong sa campus ministry ay ang natutunan ko na ang kahalagahan ng mga pagbibigay ng tamang approach sa paglapit sa mga young people. Pangalawa, kailangang maging malinaw sa mga campus minister ang kanilang objective sa kanilang paggawa ng kanilang tungkulin. At pangatlo, makita na sa summit na ito, nakita natin ang katotohanan na kailangan nating bigyan ng mabigat na kahalagahan ang pagmimisyon kahit sa loob ng campus.
Insights, I have found new strategies for our campus ministry. Nakita ko kung paano ang magandang approach, kung paano ba sila hatakin. Dati-dati parang sabi ko ang hirap, mga kabataan. Paano ba ang hilig nila? Well, may mga napag-aaralan pala, mga strategy ito, gaya ng 12 ways, yun, yung cell group, small groups, are simple ways para masabayan sila.
Not a lot of people, or not a lot of workers, for that matter, engage in the ministry, in this particular ministry. So it's a struggle, but this summit is an affirmation that we're on the right track. That there are people who are like us, kindred spirits, who have a passion to reach the youth.
Youth or younger generation ang pinagtutuunan natin ng pansin, ito yung susunod na buhay ng ating local church. So dapat ay may connectionalism ang campus ministry at ang local church.
If the church will not look into the needs of these young people, then what kind of future these young people would have? So the church should give importance to these young people because, as what I've said a while ago, they are the future of the church.
Students are captured audience. You don't have to go anywhere. They're just there. Why look at going to other places when they're already there? Okay? So they're usually close to our areas of ministry. A lot of schools are close to churches. So I think those are good reasons on why we do ministry, campus ministry.
Now with this kind of learnings, with this caliber of learnings po dito sa summit na ito, mas naging prepared po ako, mas naging ready ako. Kasi mas natututunan ko po rito kung paano sila i-handle. Na hindi lang basta-bastang nakikipag-socialize ka, but during the socialization, you are already directing them into God.
Kailangan talaga masusing pag-evaluate at tignan mabuti kung ang mga approaches ba natin, ministry pa natin ay tugma pa sa kasalukuyang trend or kilos ng mga kabataan sa kasalukuyang panahon?
Go on, press on, padayon lang, patuloy lang, because that is the call. Every day in and day out, it has to be in our system. It has to be in our, how should I say it, daily life. Go to the campus. Go on and go on and go on.